Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel Kasturi Shekhar Sir Classes for CA CMA. We are in the process of discussing various methods of transportation to find an initial solution. In my previous two videos, I discussed about northwest corner rule and the least cost method. Now in this video, I'll tell you the method of finding an initial solution by VOGEL'S approximation. This is VOGEL'S approximation method. This method is also known as penalties method or identifying the opportunity cost. Okay, so first let us calculate penalty, then I'll tell you what does it mean actually and why we are calculating penalties. Let's see beta P1. Penalties are calculated row wise as well as column wise. Again I am repeating this point, penalties are calculated row wise as well as column wise. Now let's calculate penalties first row wise. Consider row number 1 and find the difference between lowest and second lowest cost. In first row, lowest cost is 4 rupees, second lowest cost is 5 rupees, difference of this is 1 rupee. Go to the second row, repeat the same process. That is, find the difference between lowest cost and second lowest cost. Lowest cost is 1 rupee, second lowest cost is 6 rupees. So difference of these two is 5 rupees. Now third row, lowest cost is 1 rupee, second lowest is 4 rupees. Difference of these two is 3 rupees. Here 1 rupee and 6 rupees. Difference is 5. This way row wise penalties are calculated. Let us move to column wise penalties. In the first column, least value or lowest value is 1 rupee. Second lowest is 8 rupees. 1 and 8 difference is 7 rupees. Second column, lowest value is 1 rupee. Second lowest value is 4 rupees. 1 and 4 difference is 3. Third column, lowest value is 4, second lowest value is 6. 4 and 6 difference is 2. In the fourth column, lowest value is equal to 5 rupees. Lowest value is 5 rupees, second lowest is 6 rupees, difference is 1. In the last column, lowest value is 1 rupee, second lowest value is 7 rupees, difference of this is 6. This way penalties are calculated row wise as well as column wise. Penalties are calculated row wise and column wise. Now what will I do after this? I will identify the highest penalty. Identify the highest penalty is the next point to remember. This highest penalty may be row wise or this highest penalty may be column wise. Sometimes highest penalty is available row wise as well as column wise. Now here highest penalty is equal to 7 rupees sir. Highest penalty is 7 rupees. Corresponding to this highest penalty, least value is 1 rupee. Least value is 1 rupee. Corresponding to this highest penalty, least value is equal to 1 rupee. How many units I can supply? 30 units only. At factory number 3. At factory number 3, 30 units are available. But market 1 requirement is 40 units. Out of these 40 units requirement, 30 units I am supplying from factory 3. 130 units are supplied from factory 3 to market 1. Requirement is reduced to 10. Requirement is reduced to 10. Availability will now become 0. Availability now will become 0. Now sir, 0 means what? You cannot supply the goods from this factory to any market further. Again I am repeating. Corresponding to this factory 3, supply is 0. It means its capacity is exhausted. We cannot supply the goods from this factory to any market. To avoid any confusion, eliminate this factory from the picture. Eliminate this factory from the picture. Now you will get a reduced cost matrix like this. You will get a reduced cost matrix like this. Same procedure I'll do. For this reduced cost matrix, I'll calculate penalties. First, let me calculate column wise penalty. This time, lowest cost is 8 rupees. Second lowest cost is 10 rupees. Lowest cost is 8 rupees. Second lowest cost is 10 rupees. Difference is 2. Lowest cost is 1 rupee. Second lowest cost is 4 rupees. Difference is 3. Lowest cost 6 is repeated at 2 places. Lowest cost 6 is repeated at 2 places. So difference of them is taken as 0. Difference is taken as 0. Here fourth column, lowest value is 5, second lowest value is 6. 5 and 6 difference is 1. Here 1 and 7 difference is 6. Column wise penalties are calculated, sir. Let's move row wise. Penalty 2. Penalty 2. Lowest value for first row is 4. Second lowest is 5. Difference of these two is 1. Difference of these two is 1. Second row, lowest value is 1 rupee. Second lowest value is 6 rupees. 1 and 6 difference is 5. This is a dash. Penalty is not required here. Fourth row, lowest value is 1. Second lowest is 6. Difference is 5. This way penalties are calculated for the reduced cost matrix. Now find the highest penalty. 6 rupees, it is column wise. Highest penalty is 6 rupees, sir, it is column wise. After identifying the highest penalty, corresponding to this highest penalty, what is the least value? Corresponding to this highest penalty, what is the least value? 1 rupee. How many units are required in this market? 40 units. How many units are available at F4? 50. Now, availability at F4 is reduced to 10. Availability at F4 is reduced to 10. And the requirement at M5 is 0. M5 requirement, market 5 requirement is fully satisfied. So, to avoid any confusion, eliminate this market from the picture. Eliminate this market from the picture. Let's calculate penalty 3 once again. Column wise, lowest value is 8 rupees, second lowest is 10 rupees, difference is 2. Lowest value is 8 rupees, second lowest value is equal to 10 rupees, difference is 2. Lowest value is 1 rupee, second lowest value is 4 rupees, difference is 3. Third column, lowest value 6 repeated at 2 places. So this is 0. 5 rupees and 6 rupees, difference is 1. Market 5 requirement is fully satisfied. Market 5 requirement is fully satisfied. So there is no need to calculate the penalty. Let us calculate the penalty row wise. First row, least value is 4 or lowest value is 4. Second lowest value is 5. 4 and 5, 1 rupee. Second row, lowest value is 1. Second lowest value is 6. 1 and 6, this is 5 rupees. Factory 3, availability is not there. No need to calculate the penalty. Go to the fourth row. Lowest value is 6 rupees. Second lowest is 9 rupees. Difference of this is 3. This way, third time penalties are calculated. After calculation of penalties are over, identify the highest penalty. 5 rupees is the highest penalty. Corresponding to this 5. Least value is 1 rupee. Corresponding to this 5. Least value is 1. Second market requirement is 20 units only, but availability is 45. 20 units are supplied. Requirement now will become 0. Availability reduced to 25. Availability now reduced to 25. Now once again look at this, sir. Second market requirement is fully satisfied. Second market requirement is fully satisfied. So it is eliminated from the picture. It is eliminated from the picture. Second market is eliminated from the picture. Let's go to P4. Let's go to P4. Penalty 4 for the reduced cost matrix. Okay, sir. Column wise, lowest value is 8 rupees. Second lowest value is 10 rupees. Difference of this is 2. Second market requirement is fully satisfied. No need to calculate the penalty. Third market. Again, lowest value is 6 rupees. Second lowest value is 6 rupees. 6 and 6, difference is 0. Look at the fourth market. Lowest value is 5 rupees. Second lowest value is 6 rupees. Difference is 1 rupee. Fifth market, requirement is fully satisfied. No need to calculate penalty. No need to calculate penalty. Okay, sir. Column wise penalties are calculated. Let us move row wise. Let us move row wise. Penalty 4. Row wise, lowest value, first row 5 rupees, second lowest value 9 rupees. 5 and 9 4 rupees. 5 and 9 4 rupees. Second row lowest value is 6, second lowest value also 6. 6 and 6 difference is 0. 6 and 6 difference is 0. Third row, no need to calculate the penalties. Reason is very simple, sir. At F3 supply is exhausted. Total units are supplied, no need to calculate penalty. Fourth row, 6 rupees and 9 rupees, lowest and second lowest, 3. Okay. Column wise 2 rupees 0 1 rupee. Row wise 4 rupees 0 3. So 4 is the maximum penalty. Look at this. Column wise 2 rupees 0 1 rupee. Row wise 4 rupees 0 3. 4 is the maximum penalty, sir. 4 is the maximum penalty. Corresponding to this 4, least value is 5. Market for requirement is 30 units. Market for requirement is 30 units. Factory 1 availability is 55. At F1 availability is 55. Therefore, "30 units are supplied. 30 units are supplied. Requirement reduced to 0. It is 25. Requirement reduced to 0. This is 25. Okay. Market for requirement is fully satisfied. Market for requirement is fully satisfied. So it is eliminated from the picture. It is eliminated from the picture. Now let's move to penalty 5. Penalty 5. 9 rupees and 12 rupees difference is 3. Here 6 rupees and 8 rupees difference is 2. No need to calculate penalty for third factory. Here it is 6 and 10 difference is 4. Row wise penalties are calculated. Let us move column wise. P5. First column, least value is 8 rupees or lowest value is 8 rupees. Second lowest value is 10 rupees. 8 and 10 difference is 2. Dash. 6 rupees and 6 rupees difference is 0. 6 rupees and 6 rupees difference is 0. No need to calculate the penalties for fourth market and fifth market. Now what is the maximum penalty, sir? What is the maximum penalty? 4 rupees is the maximum penalty. 4 rupees is the maximum penalty. Corresponding to this maximum penalty, 6 is the least value. 6 is the least value. How many units are required? 50 units are required, but I can supply 10 only. 10 units are supplied. Requirement is reduced to 40. Availability will become 0. Availability will become 0. Now you cannot supply the goods. You cannot supply the goods from fourth factory to any market. So this factory is eliminated from the picture. This factory is eliminated from the picture. Now sir, only two markets left over. Let's calculate penalty sixth type. 9 rupees and 12 rupees. 9 rupees and 12 rupees. It is 3. 6 rupees and 8 rupees. This is 2. Now third factory requirement availability is not there. At fourth factory availability is not there. Row wise penalties are calculated. Let's move to column wise. 8 rupees and 12 rupees. 8 rupees and 12 rupees. Difference is 4. Second market requirement is satisfied. Third market requirement is not satisfied. So you have to calculate the penalty. 6 and 9. 6 and 9. This is 3. Fourth market requirement is fully satisfied. Fifth market requirement is fully satisfied. See sir, row wise penalty is 3 and 2. Row wise penalty is 3 and 2. Column wise penalty is 4 and 3. Column wise penalty is 4 and 3. 4 is the maximum penalty or highest penalty. 4 is the highest penalty. Corresponding to this highest penalty, least value is 4. Corresponding to this highest penalty, least value is 8. How many units are required? At M1, only 10. From which factory we will supply the goods, sir? From second factory. From second factory, we have to supply the goods. 25 units are available. Supply 10 units. Supply 10 units. Requirement is reduced to 0. Availability reduced to 15. Availability reduced to 15. Market 1 requirement is fully satisfied, sir. Market 1 requirement is fully satisfied. So it is eliminated from the picture. It is eliminated from the picture. Now look at this. Market 3 requirement we have to satisfy. How many units are required? 40. 15 units are available at second factory. 15 units are available at second factory. 15 units are supplied. This is 0. Here it is 0. So this is eliminated. Now from first factory 25 units I am supplying. 0, 0. Now sir, requirement at each market is fully satisfied. Requirement at each market is fully satisfied. At the same time, capacities are also exhausted. Now, let's see. Number of occupied cells. Number of occupied cells required is equal to 4 rows, 5 columns minus 1. 8 occupied cells are required. 8 occupied cells are required. Number of occupied cells. Number of occupied cells obtained. Number of occupied cells obtained. Verify, sir. This is an occupied cell. Occupied cell 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of occupied cells obtained are 8. Okay. Therefore, it is a basic feasible solution. Basic feasible solution. Basic feasible solution. Now we have to calculate the transportation cost. Let's calculate the transportation cost. Transportation cost. Nine into 25 plus 5 into 30. 5 into 30 plus 8 into 10, 1 into 20 plus 6 into 15 plus 1 into 30 plus 6 into 10 plus 1 into 40. Occupied cells. How many units are supplied? 25 per unit cost. So per unit cost is multiplied with the number of units we supplied from this particular factory to that particular market. So summation. This is coming out to be, this is equal to rupees 695. 695. Okay, sir. Do some good practice on this one. It will take time. Thank you. Remaining part, that is variations in transportation. Variations in transportation and other concepts of transportation I'll consider in the next video. Thank you, sir.